I'm Mrs. Cody. Welcome to room K1.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Lucibello. Welcome to room 2. Hi, I'm Mrs. Pascal. Welcome to K2.
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Wysachansky. Welcome to room 1.
Tell me what.
Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Stephanie Healy. I am a special education teacher for kindergarten and grade 1 this year. I support students in their academic areas for reading, writing, and math at Washington School. Also at the school we use the inclusion model, so mostly I push into the classroom and help out the students with their classroom assignments. Sometimes I have to pull them out if they haven't strengthened some basic skills, so I'll pull them out for that, or maybe take some assessments and progress monitoring. Also, special ed teachers schedule PPTs, so we'll call, schedule the PPT for annual reviews or initials or triennials, and we call the parents to schedule an appropriate date and time. Right now we're scheduling PPTs via Zoom or phone conference due to COVID. And so far this year is off to a great start, and I look forward to working with your son or daughter throughout the year. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Welcome to kindergarten. We're going to go over what we like to learn in kindergarten. So as a whole, we're off to a good start. The children are becoming familiar with us and the other children in the class and the routine of the day. They are polite, cooperative, and friendly. We're encouraging independence. That means emptying their own backpacks, opening their own snacks, at the end of the day putting their folders in their backpacks to take home, all independence to get them ready for first grade. For language arts, our curriculum includes naming all the capital and lowercase letters out of order. We also need to name all the sounds of the letters, including the short and long vowels. We're going to be working on naming the beginning, middle, and ending sounds in a word and naming rhyming words. Most importantly, we're going to demonstrate how to read a book, where to read, which way your finger goes to track words, point to one letter, point to one word, and point to capital letters. We're going to be reading 50 kindergarten snap words this year. We're going to be writing sentences using approximate spelling, and we're going to be manipulating sounds and words such as blending and discriminating between sounds. For math, we're going to be naming numbers 0 to 20 out of order, printing numbers 0 to 20 correctly, matching a set of objects to a number, finding numbers that are greater, less, and equal to other numbers, counting to 100 by ones and by tens. We're going to be naming 3D shapes such as cylinder, cone, sphere, cube, completing addition sentences and subtraction sentences, being able to add and subtract fluently, and measuring objects. Next, we're going to be talking about our science and social studies curriculum.
So this year in kindergarten, we have a science curriculum. Our first unit discusses weather, climate, and natural hazards, which is our earth science unit. So the children get to discuss it in the classroom, and they also get to talk about it with Mrs. Jennings in their science special. Our second science unit is all about ecology and energy. It's focusing on life science, about plants and animals. And our last science unit discusses force and motion, our physical science unit. Our social studies curriculum, we discuss seasons, what kind of clothing we wear, how the weather is during those different seasons. We're going to identify national heroes such as Martin Luther King Jr., George Washington. We discuss different countries around the world. We'll discuss different modes of transportation, and we'll also discuss community helpers.
Okay, I'm going to go over our daily schedule. We start every morning with the students coming into the classroom, emptying out their backpacks, checking their folders, taking out their lunch count and doing attendance. After that, we have stations. This is small group work. We have teachers come into the classroom to help us with letters and sounds, phonemic awareness, oral language, and math. After that, we have morning meeting. We do a greeting. We go over our calendar. We read through our snack words. We talk about our letter of the week. And we read our kindergarten news. Next, we have phonemic awareness. After phonemic awareness, we do our large language arts lesson. After that, we have snack. It's important to pack one drink and one snack for your child during this time. After snack, we have writing and daily 5. After daily 5, we have math. Then we go to lunch and recess, and then the students will go to their itinerant. This is when they have science, gym, music, art. When they come back from special, we will do rest, use the bathroom, get a drink. Then we go into our science and social studies block. This is also when we do our read aloud. At the end of the day, we do centers, which is their playtime, and then we get ready to go home.
And here are our odds and ends. So our discipline policy is school-wide this year, and all of the children have signed their names on our positive classroom school life rules. And our homework is given out every week, so it's out on Monday and it's due back on Fridays. We send home a weekly note every week to tell and it explains to you what we're learning in kindergarten, and there's also a passage on the bottom if we have any important news to share with you, such as days off or things like that. Each student has their own Chromebook to use while they're in class, and we work on apps such as Lexia, RazKids, and Splash Learn. That's a math program. And it's important, if you have not brought in any headphones over the ears, we would really appreciate that. We do have some for them to use, but if you have your own, that would be great. And also about the Chromebooks, we make sure that the students can't have any drinks while they're using their Chromebooks. In your child's folder, we sent home a Remind notice. Remind is an app that we use to communicate between the school and home, and it's primarily just for reminders about what's coming up in school. So if you have not signed up for Remind, please do so. And if you have misplaced that paper, just reach out to your child's teacher and we will make sure to get you one.